Hello everyone, today we'll be painting a starfish on the ocean bed. To start the ocean bed, we're going to be painting with turquoise mixed with a little bit of white. On the lower part of the ocean bed, we're going to be adding more white along with the turquoise to make it a little bit lighter. We are adding layers of sand on the ocean bed, so we're going to start with the gray, light gray, and we're going to do a ocean bed at the bottom. So we're going to be adding gray, turquoise and white alternatively. So we are going to be adding more layers into it by using turquoise, white and a bit of gray. I'm doing a starfish freehand, but you can use any reference. And then we're going to start with the outline first with the bright red. So for the shaded areas on the starfish, we are going to be using crimson to give it a little bit of a darker edge. Now fill the rest of the starfish with a brilliant red color. I'm adding a bit of orange and scarlet to give depth into the arms of the starfish. I'm using a darker color to give a shadow under the starfish. to add some definition into the arms, I'm just doing straight lines along with a little bit of crimson and black. I'm using some slanting lines on the arms using black color. Not happy with the shadow under this arm, so I just made it back into the ocean floor by adding some turquoise and white. Hope you enjoyed watching how to paint a starfish along with me. Please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.